Yeah.
Maybe out later this year.
Yep, in the fall.
Oh, see how tight it is, bro. Great calipers, man. Yo, Smoovelifer's, man. Guess what? Guess what we got in my hometown? A C8 Z06. As you can see, beside a whole bunch of C8s. It's a whole row of C8s, man. So we're gonna go out. The guy's waiting for me. I can see the guy behind me waiting for me to get out the car. So probably gonna open the door for me. This will be funny. Yeah, how you doing? Good. Huh? Yeah, I just want to look at it. Is it okay if I record and stuff? Oh, that's fine. Okay. I feel bad to break up all the C8s, man, but you're good. Had to bring some fast, and I'm joking. Look what we have you guys here. How you doing? All right. Shoot, man. It's pretty nice, man. How you doing? Pretty nice. Have to add it to the list for sure. Beautiful, bro. Oh my god, bro. It's okay. It's like who works here? Pretty beautiful, man. Carbon everything interior, man. This is tough. What is it, bro? Oh my god. You're busy about to sit in the C8. I guess this is as low as my car. It is. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you. Not carbon fiber clothes, bro. See how tight it is. Bro, C600. Carbon fiber dash. Red seat belts like my car though. That's a necessity. But hey, man. Steering wheel. It's actually like my seat too. Sir?
Up in the back.
Should be down here somewhere. I don't know. I'm a Camaro owner. I'm a Z01 owner. I don't know. I haven't had a C8.
I've got a Z06.
A C7?
C7.
Hey, we have the same engine.
Huh?
Yeah, I have an LT4. I have a Z01. We got the same engine. Yeah, by a little bit. Well, honestly, right now I don't know because my car
It's way too fast for me.
Yeah, but I got time. You know how old I am? Guess how old I am? Why don't you guess?
40.
I'm 22.
I'm close.
Yeah, 40. Yeah, you give me some power, man.
I get a prize?
Huh?
I get a prize?
No, you get a feature on the video. But I think Ben's right here.
I'll have to ask him.
I'm gonna open the door. I'm about to get out. Yeah. Nice car, man. Beautiful. Gloss carbon speaker in the back. See the engine from back there. We gotta add it to the list, you guys. Got to add it to the list. Just like. So these have a wider little radiator panel right here. I mean, they actually have a radiator on the driver's side on this one. Look how big this shit is. I'll talk to somebody soon. It's beautiful. Different thing, which is 06 badging on the side. You got. Shoot. Yeah, later this year.
Yep, in the fall.
Like sticker price.
Upper 80s.
For?
Yeah.
Oh.
Upper 80s, 88.
Well, that's why. But that's without the. Isn't it? What is?
So yeah, with this Z07 performance
Z07.
package and all these upgrades on here, this one's probably 150.
If I'm gonna get it, I'm gonna get this one. I'm not gonna get the because doesn't the base come with the regular just comes with those type of wheels and it doesn't have the wing.
No.
But can you? I've been watching the videos. Can't you add the actual like the aero package to it?
You can add like a ground effects kit on it. Yeah. Like those wheels are an upgrade. Those are carbon fiber wheels. Yeah. You see the rotors on them?
Yeah.
The rotor fills it.
I honestly think this is a supercar now. Honestly, I don't care what nobody says. Damn. 5.5 liter.
If you're out on the road, I mean,
Engine bay.
but if you get a convertible, you don't have to take over these.
The valve cover?
We should have put some kind of
Come on, red valve covers too. Oh, look at this wing. So you think that this will be as fast as a 720S stuff? That's crazy. 720S is crazy.
I absolutely agree.
I do too, honestly. Yeah, but I got it beating almost every version of the Huracan from the 510-2 up to the, what's the new one, the STO? STO, I'm talking about Huracans. STOs, it's just the light one. The lightest one they have with the big ass wing on the back. I got it faster than the Aventadors too. I got it faster than all of them. I don't know about the SVJ. Well, I don't know. This is the transmission. That single clutch is real clunky. I don't know. It's DCT though.
DCTs.
Yeah. On me. Yeah. C06 badge too right there. Soft close too. Feel like it. Damn, my fingerprints on the car. Big. Got a radio on the driver's side. Oh, excuse me. Eat it. Bro, the car is beautiful, bro. Appreciate you. Person, bro. All the shakes too. It's lit. Different option seats. I don't even know the difference between the options and seats. It was like LT1, LT2 competition. Oh, GT2 actually. Competition. Carbon fiber wheel option for the wheel, man. Z06 in the middle. Side mirrors, I ain't know that. Engine cover. I actually like the wheel options for this year, honestly. C8 Stinger is kind of lacking. I mean, the C7 Z06 wheels were nice though. I do prefer my Z01 wheels over these, but not the carbon fiber. Brake calipers, man. These things are huge. Actually, man. Beautiful car. Hey. You wanna drive it? Nah, I can't do that one. Can't do that one. This out here. The travel people? Travel with the car, man. Nah, he told me you're an actor though. Yeah, he told me you was an actor. Oh. Yeah, he told on you.
Yeah, he trying to claim he thinks I'm an actor.
Yeah, I'll let you go, man.
That's what he wants to think.
Appreciate it, man. But yeah, it's right here. Z06 is almost as loud as this, actually.
I mean, identical. Now, for sure. That's the only difference now, because with the LT6, it doesn't share any traffic.
Yeah. Now come back here, I got you. LT4, yeah. A lot louder than those. It's usually when I started with stuff back there, like everybody in the things, they usually jump. That's not.
I just seen how
I put an AW on it, yeah.
I just seen how wide it is.
I got you. It ain't cam though. I don't got the chop to it, but yeah. A week after I got it, I put an exhaust on like a week and a half after I bought it. I did that before I even registered the car. It was funny. Yeah, well, my neighbors are cool about it though. I told them I'm getting headers next too, so they're like,
All right.
they like just don't start it so much, but they're respectful with it, so I'm not gonna be an asshole to them. But yeah, man, I'm in the jungle with all the C8s left though. I feel bad splitting them up. I ain't gonna rev it. That shit be too loud. I ain't that obnoxious.
You ready when you leave?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm not doing all. Yeah, I try to be respectful. It's nice, man. Gotta give her some shine, man.
I'll tell you, keep her forever if you could, but
Shoot, the price is already going up on it, man.
I know.
I said if somebody offered me 80K, it's gone. You can take it. Honestly. Hopefully, if I keep it for that long, well, I will keep it for that long because I still got a lot of building to do to it, a lot of stuff to do to it. So
Hold on to that, baby.
that's all for the video, man. Hope you guys enjoyed it, man. Hope you enjoyed the C8 Z06, man. Hopefully, I got a good video for you guys. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And if you are not a Smoovelifer, you gotta become a Smoovelifer, man. The Smooth Light Tie is out.